Ready, Garden Francesca Karen May, as you receive your Task Champ Award, Star Award.
Whoa!
Next we have Navaha Maria Camille Lely V. Your awards are Friendly Neighbor Award, Batang Manulan Award.
Kala ko makulit eh.
Next on the list we have Panopia Isabella Luis G. Guitar Kid Award and Budding Mathematician. Congratulations! We have your awards are Little Teacher Award, Neat Kid Award, and Budding Mathematician. We also have Trillanes Alina Didier Ho Sunshine Award. Go up on stage and get your award. Get ready. First on the list we have Timaano Thomas Aaron S. Eager Beaver Award and Star Reader Award. Parents accompany our kids. Yes, Timaano Thomas Aaron.
Pare.
Next we have Ilagan Kennedy, Collaborative Award and Budding Mathematician. Next we have Maranan Lorenzo Gabriel S. Batang Magala Award. Wow.
Iba. Hindi na nagsasalita yan eh.
Next on the list we have Ramos Mark
Sabi nga nung nanay, ano ba yung malapit na eh, natapa pa.
John J. We have ito ang award ko.
Nakasaibit pa, Lloyd.
Ignatius Striker Award, Budding Scientist Award.
Pare. Congrats.
And we have, last but not the least, for our nursery, 2 awards. We have Valencia Ford B. Golden Award.
Oh, dahil passport ko.